guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about reaching 2,000 subs on this channel. Yay! Finally we reached 2,000 subscribers on this channel. Now it didn't happen today, so I'm going to be talking about my future planning with this channel and reaching 2,000 subs, and also going to be talking about one important announcement for you guys. It's only for you. So I'm going to be talking about, let's get straight with that. Before we would consider clicking like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. When we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link in the description box below. Simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding each month as well. It contains a full commercial license, so you can very well use it. Let's talk about the main. Now guys, we reached 2,000 subscribers on 4th August. Yes, this is the screenshot you can see very well over here. I just take the screenshot of the channel to show you guys, and now you can see my subscriber count on my channel as well, because before that I just hide it. I don't know why I did so, because some people told me to hide it and then open it up whenever you reach 2,000 subs. So I just did it. I don't know why I do it. So you can see reaching 2,000 subscribers and how's my journey and what is my future planning with this channel. And also, if you stick with me guys, I'm gonna be talking about an important announcement for you to help you make more money. And yeah, let's get that. Would be a correlation with reaching 2,000 subscribers. So guys, you very well know about that we started publishing daily videos from I guess from the December or from the January, and from the January till the August, it was almost like 8 months it took me to reach 2,000 subscribers. And on the January, I remember that I was having like few hundred subscribers, like 120 or something like that, or maybe lesser than that. I don't remember the exact number. I think less than 100 I was having subscribers at that current moment. And I took it seriously and I was making daily videos on this YouTube channel and finally reached 2,000 subscribers. So it was really a slow journey. It was really a slow journey because I was looking at some other people on the internet who were having their own YouTube channels, and I was looking at how long it took them to get their 1,000 subscribers. Some said that it took them a few months, some said it took them a year, some said it took them 2 years. So this graph of reaching 2,000 subscribers varies with the channel, and I think varies also with the channel content. Like if you're making the most popular videos or most trending videos that people are looking for, that it would be more likely for you to get more views and thereby getting more subscribers. So it was really a slow journey guys, and it's not a rocket science. It didn't happen overnight. You guys very well know because you've been following me so far on this channel, and you know that it was really slow journey. I was like, sometimes was counting the subscribers. Okay, I reached to 120, I reached to 140, I reached to 200, and I was like literally counting the numbers of my subscribers, when I'm gonna reach 1,000 subscribers, when I'm gonna reach it. But finally today we reached it. So not today, finally on 4th August I reached 2,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you guys. It never happened if you were not there watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, commenting on my videos, liking my videos, and even buying the things that I'm putting the link in the description box below, or downloading my free guides and all. I'm extremely grateful for that guys. I'm really grateful, and I am so grateful for that. To be grateful for you, I'm starting with something amazing to help you make more money, and that could be 100% free and it would be really valuable, juicy for you guys to help you reach your own goals in making money online. I thought of that when I'm gonna reach 2,000 subscribers, maybe I'm gonna be hosting a giveaway. But then I thought that if I host a giveaway, there would be only 2 winners, 1 winner, or 3 winners only. Like many people will be commenting and only 3 people will be the winners. And what about the rest of the people? Like they won't be the winners. So I really want to be, I really want to provide value, and really want to provide something to each and everyone who is coming on this channel, watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, or even liking and commenting my videos, whatever they are doing and engaging with my channel. I really want to give them something in return of that. So that's why I just canceled the giveaway. I was looking for hosting the giveaway when I was reaching 2,000 subscribers. I was thinking a lot what could be the giveaway look like and all this kind of thing. But then I thought that giveaway would be only for a few people who just win that giveaway, and what about the rest of the people? They won't be getting anything out of it. So that's why I thought that maybe do something that it can help everyone, and also it would be applicable and eligible for everyone who is watching my videos, who is commenting and engaging in my videos and all. So I'm gonna be talking about what that thing actually looked like, because I'm really excited. I was preparing for that thing for months. Yes, I was having that idea for the months, and I was like putting the small pieces each and every day into that puzzle to actually complete that puzzle. And so I'm gonna be introducing and talking about or announcing that particular thing when I'm going to reach 2,000 subscribers. So it was a month's effort that I've been working on that project to help you guys, and that is 100% free. Real juicy 100% free that I'm thinking of, because it would be valuable to each and every person who is watching my videos, who is interacting with my content. So it's not just about 1 or 2% who wins that giveaway and that only they get that gift or bonus, whatever it is the giveaway prize is. So it's a prize for everyone. So now guys, I'm starting with an exclusive email newsletter. Now that would be a really exclusive, because I'm gonna be providing a real juicy value. Each and every week I'm gonna be sending you the emails in your inbox, and that email would actually going to look like important art tips, important tools that are required for your print-on-demand journey, the cool graphics, the cool stuffs in that email. So I'm going to be providing the real juicy stuff in that email, talking about the new art opportunities, new opportunities for you to make more money, new tools, and also introducing you to the new important tips and tricks. So there would be a lot more in that email newsletter. And that email newsletter would be like the value that I'm going to provide in that email newsletter will only going to be that in email newsletter only. I won't be putting that content anywhere in my blog article or anywhere in my YouTube channel or anywhere in the online space. So that would be in only the email newsletter, and that would be really an exclusive. So it is a wait list, guys. Right now you can join that email newsletter. Is a wait list. So guys, you can very well subscribe to my email newsletter to receive that juicy exclusive email newsletter each and every week in your email inbox to help you make more money online, because that was the purposes of this channel, and that's the purpose of you watching my videos, to make more money via the print on demand, via the various different streams of online passive income ideas and all. So I'm going to be putting the link of this exclusive email newsletter where you can subscribe. The link is in the description box below. Right now is the wait list. Like, you can join the wait list, and when I'm going to be opening up that email newsletter, or when I'm going to be publishing that first email newsletter, I'm going to very well email you with the details. But right now is the wait list, and it's list. You can very well join the wait list to this exclusive email newsletter, which is a gift for you guys, because I reached 2,000 subscribers and it's 100% free. You can join the waitlist right now. So whenever I'm gonna be starting publishing with my first email newsletter, I'm gonna be emailing you guys. So very well, you can join the waitlist. The link is in the description box below, and that exclusive email newsletter will really going to help you. It's 100% free, guys. You don't need to pay for anything. You just need to subscribe to it. The link in the description box below. Put your first name and your email address and subscribe to the waitlist. And I'm gonna be sending you emails when I'm gonna start with that email newsletter. So the link is in the description box below. Very well, you can go that. So it's a free gift for everyone who helped me, who has engaged with my content in some form or the other to reach my 1,000 subscribers. So now regarding my future plans with this channel, I'm going to be talking about something about that, not much in detail. Now in the future, I'm going to be continuing with the YouTube videos once in every day, like one video every day till the December of 2021. And when I'm going to be reaching to January 2022, I would be going to slow down a little bit, because Currently, many projects are put on hold because I'm making these daily YouTube videos. It takes a lot of time from my day, from my schedule to make these videos, to put out the content, to do the research, to edit them, to upload them, and it takes a lot of time, guys. So that's why I put many of my projects on hold right now just because of this YouTube videos. So I'm gonna be slowing down after the December of 2021. Okay guys, so after the December of 2021 and the 2022, I would be making 2 to 3 videos once a week. So I would be a little slowing down to focus on my other projects. So that would be actually my future planning with this YouTube channel. But so far in the 2021, I would be continuing with the daily uploads. And I'm really grateful for this reaching 2,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you so much. And there is a big gift for you, big announcement for you. Please join the waitlist of the exclusive email newsletter, which contains so much juicy content to help you make more money online. So that exclusive email newsletter will going to come each and every week in your email inbox. Right now it's on waitlist. So whenever I'm gonna be starting with that, I'm gonna be sending you an email. It's completely 100% free. The link to join that email newsletter is in description box below. Join that waitlist now. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.